Hi guys, today I'm vlogging my juice fast day. I'm just gonna show you the recipes and benefits of juice fasting. So what is this juice fasting? You go on liquid diet for 2 days. What are the benefits of juice fast? Better joint health, increased energy, detox and hydration, better digestion, clear skin and a boost of vitamins and minerals. Who should fast and who should not fast? All depends upon your body. Please consult with your nutritionist before fasting. I have signed up for yoga classes from Saurabh Bothra. As a part of the yoga class, juice fast is conducted. Upon waking up, I am instructed to have lemon water. Let's prepare it. Fill the glass with lukewarm water. Make sure it is lukewarm and not hot. Squeeze 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in it. Add a pinch of cinnamon powder. Mix well. Lemon water boosts the immune system because it has vitamin C. Drinking lemon water in the morning can rise the body's pH, promoting healthy cell function. Lemons are high in pectin fiber, which helps to fight hunger cravings. And that pinch of cinnamon is good for digestion. It's 10 AM and it's time for ashgard juice. I have never tasted this vegetable raw. I never liked this vegetable even when cooked. But I love this vegetable in dessert, agra peta. I'm nervous and literally scared to take a sip of it. It tastes like cucumber juice. It's not what I expected. It's actually good. It tasted just like cucumber. Ashgard increases energy level and provides a cooling effect to the body. It helps in detoxification and aids in digestion. At 1 PM, it is time for ABC juice. This is the most popular juice. I used to have this juice during my college time every day for a period of time. Many would know the benefits of ABC juice. Loaded with nutrients and antioxidants, drinking the juice daily helps in increasing the hemoglobin levels naturally. Triggers metabolism, regulates bowel movements and relieves constipation. At 1:30 PM, hunger started to hit. I started craving for junk and solid food. All of the juices are naturally sweet, so I started craving for spicy food. As per instruction, I am allowed to have a bowl of papaya or pomegranate if only hunger strikes. So I am having my pomegranate. At 4 PM, the yummiest juice, vitamin C medley. Pineapple, oranges and amla. I use a centrifugal juicer, so I don't add water in my juices. It is 0 water and 0 sugar juice. Add a pinch of black pepper powder. Add a pinch of black salt. 0 sugar and 0 water. Delicious juice. This juice is for immune boosting. At 7 PM, the last juice of the day. This one is my ultimate favorite. Cucumber, apples and mint. This juice is loaded with nutrients and has excellent digestive properties. Oh my god, this tastes like mint cooler that you get from fancy restaurants. Tomorrow also, I will continue the same juice fast. So that's it guys, this is what I eat on my juice fast. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is me Deepti signing off. Bye bye, take care.